Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today we are learning about theory of computation and the topic is pumping lemma. Let us go through this. First, let us see the introduction to pumping lemma. The pumping lemma is a fundamental theorem used to prove that certain languages are not regular. It provides a way to understand the structure of regular languages, and it is commonly applied in the fields of formal language theory and automata theory. The pumping lemma for regular languages states that for any regular language there exists a concept P called the pumping length, such that a string S in the language where the length of S is greater than or equal to the P. The pumping lemma is a powerful tool for reasoning about the various and different languages and their limitations. Understanding the regular languages. Regular language is a formal language that can be expressed using a regular expression, recognized by a finite automation, or described by a regular grammar. These languages form one of the simplest and most fundamental classes of language in formal language theory and automata theory. Regular expressions provide a way to describe regular languages in terms of patterns. They are concise and powerful tool to define the set of strings over an alphabet. Example: the regular expression A of B tends to C represents the language consisting of a followed by a number of B's and C's, including the none. Formal definition of regular languages. A language L is a regular if there exists a finite automation, a regular expression, or a regular grammar that can generate or recognize it. Formally, finite automation. A language L is regular if there exists a DFA or NFA such that L of M is equal to L, where L of M is a language accepted by M. Regular expression. A language L is a regular if there exists a regular expression R such that L is equal to L star, where L star is a language described by the regular expression. Non-regular languages for pumping lemma. The pumping lemma is a tool that helps prove certain languages are not regular. To demonstrate this, one typical assumes a language is regular and then shows that it fails to meet the conditions of the pumping lemma. Here we look at some classic non-regular languages and how they can be proven non-regular using the pumping lemma. The language L is equal to A power n and B power n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. This is one of the most common examples used to demonstrate the non-regularity of a language. Assumption: suppose that L is a regular. According to the pumping lemma, there exists a pumping length such that a string is S in length L is greater than or equal to the split into S is equal to XYZ, satisfying the conditions of the pumping lemma. Proving non-regularity. To prove the non-regularity of a language using a pumping lemma, the general approach involves assuming that a language is regular and showing that it is assumption leads to a consideration. To prove the non-regularity of a language using the pumping lemma, we assume that the language is regular, apply the lemma and find a contradiction by showing that pumping a string in a language results in a string that no longer belongs to the language. Limitations of pumping lemma. The pumping lemma is a powerful tool for proving that certain languages are not regular. Non-constructive nature. A pumping lemma is non-constructive proof technique. It tells you that if a language is regular, then there must be a certain pumping property that holds for a sufficiently long strings. However, it does not provide a direct way to provide or to find or to construct specific examples of strings that not satisfy the lemma condition. Requires a string length greater than the pumping length. A pumping lemma applies only for the strings that are not least as long as certain pumping length P for shorter strings. This means that it is only applied for strings that are long enough to undergo. Example: in some cases, languages might have simple patterns in shorter strings that can't be captured by the pumping property. Despite these limitations, the pumping lemma remains an essential technique in format language theory and automata theory, especially for proving non-regularity. Formal statement of lemma: let L be the regular languages, then there exists a constant P called as a pumping length such that a string L and S is greater than or equal to P. The string S can be decomposed into three parts: X is equal to XYZ, satisfying the following conditions. XY is lesser than or equal to P. The length of a string XY is almost P. Y is greater than 0. The substring Y is non-empty. For all greater than or equal to 0, the string xy to the power z is in L. Repeating y any number of times including zeros result in a string that measures in L. Applications of the pumping lemma. The pumping lemma is primarily used to prove that a language is not regular by showing that it can't be satisfy the conditions outlined in the lemma. The general strategy involves assuming that a language is regular, applying the pumping lemma, and then finding a contradiction. The pumping lemma is a powerful tool for proving that a language is not a regular. These are the examples. Example 1. L is equal to a power n, b power n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. We will prove that a language L is equal to a power n, b power n, where n is greater than or equal to 0 is not regular using the pumping lemma. Steps. Assume L is a regular. Suppose L is a regular, then accordingly to the pumping lemma, there exists a pumping length p such that a string S epsilon L with length S is greater than or equal to P and can be decomposed into XYZ with the following conditions. XY is lesser than or equal to P, Y is greater than 0 for all greater than or equal to 0, XY to the power Z epsilon L. Analyzing the process. To fully understand the application of the pumping lemma, it's essential to break down the steps involved in proving that a language is not a regular. The first step is to process the assume that a language is a regular. State the pumping lemma conditions. After assuming that a language is regular, the pumping lemma guarantees the existence of pumping length P. For any string S, the language is such that S is greater than or equal to P. Choose a string from the language. Conclude the language is not a regular. Since we have found a contradiction, we can conclude that the language is not a regular. And finally, the conclusion. The pumping lemma is an important tool for proving that a certain languages are not irregular. It allows us to show that a language is irregular. This makes a pumping lemma essential for analyzing the boundaries of regular languages in theoretical computer science. The pumping lemma is a fundamental tool for understanding the limitations of regular languages. Thank you everyone.